Hi, this is a quick introduction to Andiamo Places. Andiamo Places is used for creating travel guides and travel journals. When you open the app, you'll be in this home screen, which has HTML, which the user can modify basically by editing. Here you can modify the HTML. Of course, you can enter text, but also have links. And you can link to various things, including images, video, etc. Or you can embed directly in the HTML similar items such as images, audio, video, and so forth. Okay, so now we're in the edit menu. Other things you can edit. There's the concept of chapter sections. It's basically a way to organize other HTML pages that you can link to. So you can create a multi-page document with links from page to page. You can edit the groups and categories. So you can create groups, categories, and these are ways. The set are ways to set all the places in the app quickly. Okay, so we're still on the home screen. This is where the user menu items are. You can log out, delete the account, reset password, look at the details, and upload images. This is where you would upload the images. When the images are uploaded, they are resized, and a thumbnail is created, and a medium-sized image is created, and that's for efficiency, so that the app runs faster or loads faster from the internet. So it also saves you bandwidth when you're using the app. Then in the guide, there's a lot of menu options here. You can refresh the guide, but basically reads it over again from the cloud. Travel Wizard, it basically answers common questions that are travel related using artificial intelligence. You can open a guide using an ID. You can go to the previous guide. You can open multiple guides and then go to the previous guide. You can create a new guide. You can copy the guide, overwrite. Create travel journals is also an interesting feature. Basically, you go on a trip and you come back with a bunch of photos, and then what do you do with those photos? Well, you can automatically create a journal, a travel journal, by just uploading the images and then selecting them to be included, and it shows the images on a map, in a schedule, and in on the itinerary. All right, we're still here. You can rate guides, look at guide info. You can send links to the guide using either through WhatsApp or email. And then you can launch the web version of the app right from your phone. So you can see when you send the link will open in a browser. So the web app shows you what they'll see when they open the link. Okay, we did the edit. Save is for saving to the cloud. You should do that often while you're using the app or modifying the app. And then there's the info. There's about, help videos, facts, help documents, guidelines to follow, the website, and contacting us if there's any issues. And so this is the main screen. Now we go on to the guides. This is a way to select from a list of either your own guides, featured guides. There's over 400 feature guides, places like Paris, Rome, New York, etc. And you can also view shared guides from others in the community. Places shows you the places in a list. It allows you to add other places. Now, in addition to places, we have things that are called paths. Basically, if you're going on a walk, or driving or cycling, that's a path that gets drawn on the map. An area is like a neighborhood, so you can draw an area on the map which indicates a neighborhood. So you can add all those. Then you can filter the places by various criteria, whether the place is a favorite, visited, not visited, a must-see place. Either it's a search result, you can filter by days or schedules, by individual places, by the type of place, groups, categories, distance, and so forth. Then you can sort by name, category, group, rating, distance, and date, or date. And then we go to the map. The map has similar features. By the way, I didn't show the find, which is also on the place screen, does a text search on the items already on here. Whereas if you want to do a search, that's the find. Now the search is actually, in addition to allowing to add the place, path, and area, can search Google by text, by category. It can go to the Google app, so it redirects you to the app. You can look, we can use Wikipedia to do a text search. Now the last three are similar to the Google search in Google Maps. So there's four which actually take you out of our app to the other apps, but they will take you there based on the location that you are looking at in our app, so that you can continue searching there and then come back to the app. The one I skipped was create places from photos. Again, if you have photos that have location information, then we can automatically create the place just by reading the photo. Then we have the schedule, and actually you can have more than one schedule. In fact, here we have 4 schedules, the main and 3 other ones. And then you can add more events to the schedule. You can you can rearrange the schedule by dragging and dropping. The menu here, you can choose a schedule. You can show the itinerary. Basically, it's a document version of what you're seeing here. And then there's also, for the day, there's other options. You can move the days and so forth. And then for the event, there's another. These are the options available there. And then last but not least, we have the tickets, which is this screen is not obligatory. Obviously, you can navigate to it if you want. By purchasing tickets from our sponsors, it does keep the app free. And that's it. Thank you.